Kaya na, guyo.
Arasa. Championship Game 2. Team Mike versus Team Aldwin.
Take point at 10. Kapos, 3-1 jersey number 21. Pass the jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Taking the basket. 2 points.
Basket by jersey number 5, Lastimoso.
2-0. Jersey number 45. Dribbling the ball. 3 point at 10.
3 points by Bautista. 3-2. Si layup, no good.
Jersey number 45. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8.
Back 3 by Team Aldwin, Concepcion.
Carlos Man.
Halos man, si number 7, Lastimoso. Kaulan ng 3. 3 points pa itong ano. Hindi, 2 points lang to. 2 points lang. Pag naman mag-3 to, 6 na tayo, 2 ka 3. Another 3 basket! Wow! Bautista! 3 ka 3, 9-5. Ano ni wala na sang 2 points ni 3 lang. Aribalos 3. Tapos ang tira.
Now jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 91. 2 points.
Easy layup by Bautista. 11.
Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball.
Lastimoso.
Pass to jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Attacking the basket off the glass. 2 points.
Basket number 21.
7-11.
7-11.
Jersey number 75. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 79. Back to 75. The jersey 91. Attacking the basket. Steve.
Steal
Jersey number 7.
by Lastimoso, number 7. Layup.
Basket.
11-9.
5 minutes. Jersey number 45. Dribbling the ball.
Bautista, another 3. Basket!
Position.
Tatlo naka-3 si Bautista, 4 para sa Team Aldwin.
Tatlo ka 3.
14-9.
Jersey number 21. Attacking the basket. Rebound again by jersey number
Galio.
Jersey number 25. Dribbling the ball. Hands by jersey number 27. Pass to 45. Attacking the basket. May foul. Basket. First free throw. Wala.
First miss. 1 out of 2.
Jersey number
15-9. 6-point lead by Team Aldwin. Lastimoso. Lastimoso.
To 5 to 17 to 21 to jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 5.
Wow.
Foul by
Two
jersey
shots.
number.
Foul number 45.
Basket.
Last throw. 2 out of 2. 11-15.
11-15. 3 minutes and 15. The jersey number 45. Dribbling the ball. Pass to the jersey number 25.
That's a traveling violation.
Violation. Jersey number 25.
May tao. 15-13.
Two minutes 45. Jersey number 91, nice move.
Basket by number 91. 17-13.
For jersey number 5, 3-point attempt. Kapos, rebound by jersey number 28. Now jersey 91, dribble to bola, attacking the basket, post to post. Nagwa pass. Jersey number 27.
Lastimoso.
Pass to jersey number 7.
Lastimoso.
The 3-point attempt. Lapao.
Wow.
Rebound by jersey
Bola.
number 45. 2 minutes and 10.
Bola sang Team Alvin.
The jersey number
Bautista.
5. Pass to 35.
Rogalio.
So 28, drop shot, 2
Jump
points.
shot is good.
2 minutes.
Number 20.
Jersey number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 21. Jersey number 21, pick up 3-point attempt. La foul. Rebound by jersey number 45, out of bounds. Green ball.
19-13. 6-point lead by Team Alvin. Agaw. Lastimoso. Layup is good. 19-15.
1 minute.
Ay, mga fans ba?
Jersey number 21.
Concepcion.
Pass to jersey number 28. 3 seconds violation. 1 minute and 3 seconds. 1 minute and 3. Fast break naman. Foul na.
Back to back. Fast break by Lastimoso. 17-19. Doon na lang ang abanse sa Team Alvin. 4-0 run. Fast break again. Oh, good. Basket. 19 all. 30 seconds. 6-0 run.
Obaite. 15. Tapos. 5.
Basket 21-19. That's the end of the first quarter. 21-19. Favor of Team Mike. Mayroong 8-0 run by Team Mike.